Hello guys, Anna here again and welcome to my channel, the Another Travel Show. So today we are here in the Podium, here in Julia Vargas, Ortigas. We're going to explore the place and yan, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Dito sa ground level, they have watches here like Tudor, Rolex. So yung pinaka-interesting dito sa ground level is yung Art Lounge Manila. Dito mo rin matatagpuan yung malaking shop ng Wildflower by the entrance. So ito yung mga restaurant. So the place actually, it looks, yung design ng mall na ito, very futuristic, modern style. So ngayon, punta na tayo dun sa second floor. Dito sa level 2, ang pinaka-highlight dito, yung food court na tinatawag na the corner market. As you can see, medyo busy pero hindi katulad dati at marami na ring nagsara dahil siguro sa pandemic. Beside it, there are also restaurants, Korean restaurants, Japanese, and Chinese, and some Filipino restaurants. So yan, we got our order here. So we ordered seafood chalongmyeon. This is actually good for two. So hinati ko lang. This is the other half. Yung noodles nila fresh. This is fish. Sobrang rich nung soup nila. New noodles, fresh. Gutom talaga ako, pero masarap talaga siya. Grabe, yung soup niya, look, very rich. The Legend of Xiaolongbao. This place is called Legend of Xiaolongbao. So they have here 8 flavors. The first one that we're going to try is the white. This is the original. So when you eat this, you have to be careful. Do not poke it because otherwise yung soup niya masasayang. Mabubutasan siya, so masasayang. I don't know how to explain this, but it's very good. I mean, I've tried xiaolongbao in other restaurants. Masarap din. Pero ito kasi they have different flavors. The food here, they're very good actually. Isa to, pag napunta kayo dito sa Podium, isa to sa puntahan nyo. Paradise Dynasty, Legend of Xiaolongbao. So yan guys, kumain lang tayo dito sandali kasi medyo gutom, lunch na rin. So continue tayo, proceed tayo sa third floor to continue our tour around here in the Podium. So here sa level 3, they have here electronics, yun, furnitures, gadgets. Yung mga palamuti sa bahay, they have it here. We're done in level 3. 4 na tayo. Let's go. So here in the 4th floor or level 4, what you can find here, meron sila mga eyewears dito. Mostly dito talaga itong mga pampaganda ng mga clinics. So Winx, Vintage, The Bro, ganun. And they have it here. I don't know what that is. Parang electric studio where you can do boxing. Yan. Boxing gym. Yan. Let's go to level 5. So here in level 5, as you can see, they have lots of different restaurants here. So Chinese, Japanese, Koreans, and they also have here mga buffets like yung Sanu by Vikings. So dito sa level 5 yan. If you come here for a food trip, level 5 ka pupunta dito sa Podium. So yeah, let's go to level 6, which is the last floor. Maybe may mga gwapo doon. Tara. So here pala, ang tawag dito the roof deck, which they have here, Basil, Bird Balls, Mediterranean, Kimono Ken, Lola, and Yako. Kung gusto mong hindi ka na-hassle while you're going around the mall, and you just have to scan this one, and yeah, reserve, order. So ayan, dito sa roof deck, Podium, meron din ditong co-park. So as you can see here, so the other side, dito lang din ito sa roof deck, al fresco. Medyo nalalamigan ka dun sa loob, pwede kang umakyat dito, yan, magpainit ka. So dun sa ground, sa entrance, pagbaba mo ng car, meron silang napakalawak na al fresco dining. So maganda rin yung al fresco dining nila doon, malinis, at saka mukhang very comfortable yung area. This place is actually not so big. So hindi ka mapapagod going around the whole place, the whole mall. Paikot lang siya, tapos every floor talagang occupied. Marami kang makikita dito mga shops na hindi mo siya makikita, hindi siya common ba, kumbaga. Itong lugar kasi na to, itong Podium, medyo sosyalan talaga siya. So premier mall to. So ayan, I guess that's it for today here in the Podium. So andito lang to sa Julia Vargas, Ortigas. So also malapit ito sa may Mega Mall. That's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to support my channel by clicking like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for more upcoming videos. See you again on another travel show. Maganda lang dito pala sa roof deck pagka may ka-date ka. Kasi isipin mo, magbibilad ka lang pala sa araw na mag-isa ka lang. Ano ba yan? Naglulukahan tayo. Di mag-aircon ka na lang dyan. Papahirapan mo sa sarili mo. Kasi alam mo naman, pag may jowa ka, sa hirap at sarap, magkasama. Char. May mga shabu-shabu rin, ganun. Kung mahilig kayo mag-shabu, yan. Punta kayo dun sa may healthy shabu-shabu.